weather is good, no strong wind, and also the sun is now in the upper side, but this time is 5 o'clock, but the sun is still uh, high. So this is it, guys, and I hope you can follow my videos, you can watch my videos, and I will show you also the deck area in this kind of vessel. Okay, guys, this time I will show you the deck area. So we are now at Bilbao Spain, Anchorage, waiting for berthing. So guys, this is the mooring winds in the stern side. This is the mooring winds. So we have 4 drums, mooring winds. So this is the astern side of the vessel. Now the rope is already prepared for berthing. While we're waiting the schedule for berthing, we are arrived this morning around 7 o'clock. So far we don't have any schedule to berth, but all the rope is already prepared. So now we are going to forward part. So this is the gangway, guys, at the starboard side. And the bunkering manifold, starboard side, and bunkering manifold at port side. So we are now going to forward part. These are the deck boys, because now is already 5 o'clock. Yeah. So the working here in the vessel is from 8 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Now, this is the Bilbao port. So this is the pathway, and this is the cruise deck of crane number 3. This one, guys. So when I arrive to the forward part, I will show you the bridge, how far the bridge from the forward part. But this vessel, guys, is only 5 holds. We have 4 crane. This is only Panamax size. Unlike to my previous vessel is Cape size. So this is only Panamax small size vessel. So this is the crane, and the hold cover is powered by hydraulic. We are near from the forward part. So this is the hold number 1, small size hold, and this is the forward part. So we are going to upstairs. This is the paint room located in the forward part. So the bosun store is only 1 door in the port side. So only 1 door in the forward part, the access of bosun store, because this is a small size vessel, so they are maximizing the space. So this is the drum of forward part, and also the windlass holding the chain. And this is the port side, another windlass, and 2 drums of mooring winds. So this is now the forward part. So this is it, guys. This is the space of forward part. And that is the port, guys, very near from us. So we're going downstairs, but before that, this is the location of the bridge from here in the forward part. So that is the bridge and the pursuit of crane. So now we're going to downstairs and take a walk in the port side of this deck. Okay guys, time check. The time now is 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And as you can see guys, the sun is mataas pa no kaysa sa actual time natin ngayon. So dito guys, yung araw is still quite high in the time of 5 o'clock. The sunset will about 9 p.m. in the evening. So 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. maliwanag pa guys, no? Tingnan nyo, ito yung isla guys. Ito yung dagat. And the position of the sun guys, nandyan pa, mataas pa siya guys, no? Compared natin sa oras sa Pilipinas, yung posisyon ng araw is about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. But here in Bilbao, Spain, in the Europe side, mataas pa yung araw. Sa oras na alas 5 guys, mataas pa yung araw, mainit pa yung araw, no? Magkahalo guys yung init tsaka yung hangin, no? Yung sinag ng araw mainit, and then yung hangin dito medyo malamig guys. So yan ang kakaibahan natin guys. Yan yung posisyon ng araw, din yan yung isla. So mataas pa yung araw sa oras na alas 5. The difference of the time of here, local time here and the local time in the Philippines is 8 hours. And this is the area of the deck guys. And that is the bridge. And the lifeboat fitted in this vessel is a debit type lifeboat. Although na this vessel is brand new, but because of the space, so they are installed the debit type lifeboat instead of triple type lifeboat, because in the pop deck there's no space for triple lifeboat. So we will see the space. That's why they are putting this debit type lifeboat. Let's see the space in the pop deck, because actually the triple lifeboat is fitted in the up deck if there is enough space for lifeboat. But here guys, we are now at pop deck. You can see the space guys. We don't have space because this is the chimney, so don't have space for triple lifeboat. Look at that guys. That is the chimney. Now this is the drum or mooring winch. So don't have enough space for triple lifeboat. On this side, that is the emergency generator room. The upstairs is the deck, the provision crane. So let's go to the starboard side guys. So this is the starboard side, lifeboat number 2, starboard side, the rescue boat. May huli na? Si Wally yung nahuli. Yeah, magaling to si Warren sa ano, taga ano yan, taga Cagayan.
Lagyan, sir.
O magaling yan sa panghuli ng isda.
Ngayon ako nakahawak.
Ha? Ngayon na lang? Practice pa lang?
Ito, ano, grabe yung turo ko.
Ayos yung turo, bilis kagad matuto, no?
Mamaya, siya na yung nakakabit.
Ha?
Siya na yung nakakabit.
Oo nga.
Daming salto kanina.
So that is the recreation of the crew, guys. After work, catching the fish. So I'm now walking in this deck side. This is part of my exercise. We have walking for 1 hour every afternoon, 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock. So this is my exercise because this vessel don't have a gym. So we have no treadmill and we have no accessories for exercise. So this is my way to exercise. So I have to walk for 1 hour every day. As long as the weather is good, no strong wind. So that's all, guys. And next we are going to engine room to show the engine room. What is the machineries inside the engine room besides of the main engine. So I will show you after this one, guys. So bye bye.